Number 1. Your brain runs on about 20 watts of power. That's like just a third of a regular light bulb. Your thoughts, your dreams, your ability to binge watch Netflix, all powered by a dim bulb. But here's the kicker. This 3-pound squishy computer uses around 20% of your body's total energy. So while you're running that marathon, your brain is over here like, "Excuse me, I need the premium fuel, thanks." Next time you feel tired, just remember, you're not lazy. Your brain is just a total energy hog. A brilliant, amazing, dim white bulb-powered hog. Boring, right? Wrong. Your brain is a universe of non-stop action. Number 2. The brain contains roughly 86 billion neurons. That's like 86 billion tiny, super-fast computers. And that are all talking to each other. Each neuron can form up to 10,000 connections with its neighbors. Think of it as the world's biggest, most exclusive networking party, happening inside your head. In fact, your brain has more possible connections than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Oh yeah, your brain is literally more complex than the universe we can see. Cool, right? Number 3, the brain is about 75% water. This means that dehydration can literally shrink your brain tissue. Yep, you heard that right. But don't worry. A good drink of water and it plumps right back up. So staying hydrated is key to keeping your brain at its full, brilliant state. Though are you drinking enough? Your brain will thank you for it. Your brain is a total show-off. Check this out. Number 4. Your brain processes visual information in as little as 13 seconds. It can process 11 million bits of information per second, but you're only consciously aware of about 40 bits. That's like your brain drinking from a fire hose, but you only get a single drop. The rest is just happening. But the next time you think you're in control, think again. Your brain is out here doing the heavy lifting. Number 5. The brain generates enough electrical activity to power a small LED light. That's right. Your brain is a walking, talking, thinking power plant. Billions of neurons are constantly zapping electrical signals to power everything you do. It's like a lightning storm in there. All that zapping adds up to about 10 to 23 watts of power. That's not a lot, but it's just enough to light up this little guy. So, unfortunately, you can't charge your phone by thinking really hard. Trust me, I tried. Hey, at least you've always got a light on in there. Cool, right? Number 6. The brain continues developing until about age 25. That's right, your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for not doing dumb stuff, is still under construction. So that time you face planted in front of your crush? Or forgot your own birthday? Yeah, blame the construction crew. Don't worry, you're not just clumsy. You're just a late bloomer. And that's pretty cool. Number 7. Your brain is sometimes more active during sleep than when you're awake. That's right. While you're counting sheep, your brain is throwing a rave. But why? During REM sleep, the stage where you dream, your brain is super busy processing emotions and memories. But here's the plot twist. It intentionally paralyzes your body. This is your brain's genius way of preventing you from literally running in for sleep. You're welcome to bed. But next time you're tired, remember, your brain never stops working. It's just multitasking. Number 8. Your brain forgets about 90% of your dreams within minutes of waking up. Yep, it's like your brain has a dream trash can and hits empty as soon as your eyes open. During REM sleep, your brain is in creative mode, not recording mode. It's more interested in the experience than saving it. And the few dreams that do stick, they're usually the super emotional or weird ones that jolt your memory. So next time you can't remember that epic dream, don't worry. Your brain is just doing its weird job. You remember it like it was yesterday. That time your friend totally lied to you or you're sure you put your keys in your pocket. But what if you never have telling? Number 9. Your brain can create false memories that feel completely real. Here's the thing. Your brain isn't a video recorder. It's more like a creative writer, piecing together bits of information from the past, your imagination. It does this to make sense of the world, filling in the blanks. The problem is, a final story can be a total work of fiction, but it feels 100% true to you. So, the next time you and your friend argue about a shared meant, you might both be wrong. Alright? Who knows? Thanks, brain. Wait, what if I told you you're seeing a lie right now? Your own brain is tricking you, and you don't even know it. But number 10, the brain fills in your visual blind spot automatically. You never notice it. Here's the thing, each of your eyes has a spot with zero vision. It's where the optic nerve connects. No, you can't see it. Don't believe me? Try this. See that dot? Poof, it's gone. But your brain, it just makes up what's there. Your brain is like a super fave-draw artist, constantly painting in the missing details so you never see the gap. It's a beautiful, constant illusion. So, the world you see, it's not you 100% real, it's your brain's best guess. Cool, right? Number 11, your brain processes novelty differently. Ever noticed how summer vacations felt like forever as a kid, but now Monday is just a blur before Friday? Here's the mind-blowing reason why. When you're young, your brain is a novelty-hungry sponge. Every new experience is a unique event, creating tons of new memories and neural pathways. But as we age, our brains get efficient. We've seen it all before, so we process routine events on autopilot, barely encoding them as new memories. This efficiency is why time feels like it's accelerating. Fewer new memories, and the years seem to fly by. The solution: break your routine. Novelty is the brain's way of hitting a slow down button on time. Number 12, you can subscribe with half a brain. Yeah, it's a real thing called the hemispherectomy. Sound like a fancy copy holder, right? I'll have a hemispherectomy, please. Extra poem. Doctors sometimes remove or disable half the brain to stop life-threatening seizures. It sounds crazy, but here's the mind-blowing thought. The relating how can actually rewire itself to take you over many of the functions of the missing hatter. Your brain is the total overachiever. And your patients, especially children, go on to live relatively normal and head-off lives. It's like your brain says, challenge accepted. So, but next time you forget your keys, just remember, your brain is incredible, adaptable, and surprisingly resilient organ. Mind blown, right? You are not going to believe what I just found out about our own brains. It's devastating. Number 13. The brain itself cannot feel emotions. Think of it like this. Your brain is the CEO of a huge company. It doesn't experience the world directly. It receives reports from its employees, your body parts, and then interprets those signals, creating the feeling of emotions. So technically, you're not feeling sad. Your brain is just telling you that you should be. Wild, right? You know in the comments which brain fact you think is the craziest. Follow for more. Number 14. Your brain named itself. Let that sink in. The thing it used to think came up with the word for itself. It's like if your hand invented the word hand. So how did this cosmic level flex happen? Well, over millions of years, our brains got super complex. They developed language which allowed us to create symbols and names for everything in the world, including the organ doing the naming. So in a way, your brain is the ultimate self-made thing, a real I-made-it success story. Be cool, right? Now go tell your brain good job. Number 15. Your brain rewires itself constantly. That's right. Your brain is like a super flexible muscle, changing its structure based on what you think about. So, if you spend all day thinking about spreadsheets and traffic, your brain gets really good at being bored. But what if you start thinking about something new? By repeatedly focusing on a new passion, like art, you physically strengthen those thought pathways. You're literally reshaping your brain. But remember, you are what you think, and you can literally think yourself into a new person. Cool.